So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start preparing my parts to actually make them. So I'm going to just go into Part Studio. I'm going to hide the parts. If you hold your mouse over, you can make things visible or non-visible. So I'm just dealing with the tubing right now. So with the tubing, basically I need to create a file that will allow me to make all the holes on this side and one on this side. Basically, because everything's symmetrical, I can reuse the two files to create things on all four sides. So there's a lot of different ways to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start by focusing on the top. I'm just going to turn things around here. So here's the top of the file, and I'm going to turn the fillet off. So I'm going to right click it and I'm going to click suppress. And the reason I'm going to do that is when I'm putting it into my CNC machine, I want a two-dimensional drawing and I want it to be the actual diameter. And if I've got the fillet, it's going to actually give me the diameter inset, which will make it really hard for me to find my origin. So here's my piece. I can right click and I'm going to export it and as a DWG drawing. So that's the part that I'm going to use. Now, if I look at the part name or part number, so it's -01. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to name this 01-T for top. And what I want to do is I want to keep these file names to under 4 letters. And it makes it much easier for me to have the 4 letters. So the other thing is I'm going to look at, there's the whole sketch. Where is my sketch with the side holes? There's my side holes. So I can see, so there's the sketch with the side holes. So that's the side that it's on. So I'm purposely doing that so that way when I create the drawing, it will make sure to get all the and S for side. It will make sure to actually get them because they were drawn on this actual piece. Sometimes if you use the other side, depending on how you structured your extrude and stuff, it might not actually recognize that there's holes there. So the key is to always make holes on the same side and have it go through all to the other and make your drawings on the side that you made the holes. So I now have 2 files. Those 2 files I'm going to open up in Fusion 360, and that's when I'm going to start preparing them to run on the CNC machine.